My cats don't write poetry. They won't have it. They prefer chasing rabbits, embracing habits of plenty of dubious propriety, but so far not including oratory. My cats don't write poetry. They prefer sleeping in hidden hollows, creeping into unsuspecting beds, peeping into badgers' burrows, leaping through the jaws of death, kneeling low in hides and holes, dealing deadly bites and blows, stealing the toilet roll, and recarpeting the lounge with Andrex. They prefer nesting in the lavatory, entertaining guests in the conservatory, resolving neighbourhood unrest concerning territory and hereditary, exchanging pointed pleasantries with passing peasantry, nipping at nobility. My cats don't write poetry. Tom is into pulling down small trees, eating compost, chasing Labradors, inciting generosity from strangers, running the streets. Ginger fearlessly hunts tulips, steals cheese, loves quiche, gets lost easily, forgets where he left his tail, and hunts for it frequently. My cats don't write poetry. My cats chase and tear and tease. They drench me at dawn, wet-nosed and coated with rain, green-eyed guarantees of magic, mice, and murder. My cats don't write poetry. My cats are